What's up, guys? So it's been raining all day long, but I really want to skateboard, so I'm gonna see if I can skate in the rain. We're at the skate park, there's nobody else here, and this is kind of a grippier skate park, so I think it might be possible to skate in the rain. If it's a really slick skate park, one of those metal skate parks, you might have a lot of trouble, but it just started raining even harder. So you might be thinking, this is crazy, you're gonna destroy your bearings. But I've got Rush stainless steel bearings, and this is my rain setup. I set this board up just to skate in the rain. I've got magnesium trucks from Tensor, and these are some old trucks I don't really use anymore. I've got an old blank board that I don't use anymore, and some Ricta wheels. So this board, I only skate in the rain. Skateboarders think that if their board gets wet at all, it will completely destroy the skateboard. But that's not necessarily true. If you take certain precautions, you can skate in the rain. I almost always skate Rush stainless steel bearings. I've been skating for so long, I've got boards that don't have any pop, boards that I'm never gonna skate again, and those are the perfect boards for a rain board. Skateboard trucks last a long time, they're really high quality, and a little rust really doesn't bother me. I don't really notice rust on my trucks if I've skated in the rain. If your bearings get slow, you can just spray some WD-40 in there, spin them around a little bit, and they'll start rolling again. Skating in the rain is a lot of fun, because basically the whole city is open. You know, there's nobody out skating, nobody out walking because it's raining, and you have the whole place to yourself. So it can be a lot of fun. It can be really slick when you skate in the rain. So make sure you skate really rough, gritty spots where you're gonna have a lot of grip. Also, you can go down on the durometer in your wheels so you can get a softer wheel with a little more grip, and it's gonna be better for skating in the rain. So it would be easy to make a completely waterproof skateboard. You could get some kind of a plastic deck or a plastic coated deck, or even polyurethane or some type of coating over the wood. Make a waterproof skateboard deck. Then you could use titanium or aluminum in the trucks, stainless steel, you know, stuff like that, and you could easily make a completely waterproof skateboard. But the thing is, there's not a really big market for a waterproof skateboard because a lot of people just aren't gonna put extra money into buying a waterproof skateboard when it's so easy to just use an older skateboard. You know, an older skate deck, once an old skateboard deck gets soft and loses its pop, no matter how many times you skate in the rain, it doesn't really get worse. You know, it gets bad and then it stays flatlined at that bad level of skateability. But, you know, unless you leave your board out in the rain day after day and it just falls apart and delams, it's gonna skate okay. So there's not a big market for waterproof skateboards. Now, waterproof longboards, waterproof electric skateboards, there is a market for that sort of thing because people use those to commute and they need those in the rain every day. But I skate in the rain all the time and the board holds up. Also, if you live in a pretty big city, there's a lot of parking garages so you can skate in the rain and stay dry. That's definitely another good option for skating in the rain. So there you go, guys. It is possible and it is a lot of fun to skate in the rain. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
Rare. I've never seen it.
You gonna try to skate?
Huh?
You gonna try to skate?
Nah, I was about to go to work.
Oh yeah.
Get to teach my skate, man.
Try to.